What I have here is called acetic acid, dihydrogen monoxide, and sodium hydrochloride. So it's just basically vinegar, water, and bleach. So if you're wondering what is the purpose of this video, we were going to learn about bases, acid, and pH levels. Before we start the lesson, we were going to learn about the molecules first. So there are three molecules inside of H2O, or you may call it water. And when water is dissociated, it breaks apart from hydrogen ions concentration and hydroxide ions concentration. When other substance dissociate, it releases more hydrogen ions or more hydroxide ions. For now, everything is stable because H2O doesn't release hydrogen ions nor hydroxide ions. For example, if I put hydrochloric acid, then it releases more hydrogen ions. But for sodium hydroxide, it releases more hydroxide ions. Now this is where we learn about pH levels. pH stands for potential of hydrogen or power of hydrogen, which came from Latin potentia hydrogeni. Now let's talk about the difference between acid and alkaline. Alkaline is basically hydroxide ions, and acid is basically hydrogen ions. Now, if you remember correctly from earlier, that H2O has a stable ions. Number 7 is a neutral number.
Because both hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are stable.
When the substance appears to be greater than 7, it is classified as base, and it releases more hydroxide ions.
The more hydroxide ions release, the more basic the substance is. So usually, most items from basic and to alkaline were made out of sunrocks, bleach, and basically household items. When the substance is classified as less than 7, then it's classified as acid. The more hydrogen ions released, the more acidic it gets. Most acidic substances are lemon juice, citric acid, and basically any sour things or coffee. Now let's try doing the experiment. This is a universal test paper. That is to verify how much acid or alkaline a substance is. Right now I have 3 universal test papers, and I will put one of them. But excuse me. First, we will dip in on bleach. Okay. Next is water. And it seems neutral. Now let's try vinegar. Here's the normal, and see. Oh god, it didn't change color, bro. Okay. So to determine by far, we need an actual map of how a pH works, because there's like multiple colors that I have to follow through, but I don't have that right now. If you can try this experiment at your home, please do, because it is very fun to do, and I'm likely going to have one very soon.